Squeeze. Are you rolling it up? Uh-oh, Mimi, you got a piece of green inside your pink.
That's okay.
You gonna mix the colors?
Yes, I can make it color.
You gonna mix the colors?
And I need one green.
Okay, but it won't be pink anymore if you put the green in. It might turn a different color. It's green. Rudy, that kind of looks like a green lizard or a green snake. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes. Are you glad we made Play-Doh?
I was.
You roll. Whoa, back up. There you go. Okie dokie.
Mom,
What?
mine's just still pink.
Yep.
I grow.
Rudy, what are you making?
Tie.
What?
I'm making tie.
What are you making, Maeve?
A baby car.
A baby car? Yeah.
I'm making daddy car.
You're making a daddy car? Uh-oh.
It's a boat.
It is like a boat. I forgot to dump the rest of the flour out of that cup. Better roll it all together. Get the flour mixed in. You could probably give some of that flour to Rudy. His is still pretty sticky.
Nice.